In the Spring 2026 update on Teslas, which was version 2026.14.1, 2 or 3, I'm on version 2, but version 3 is now rolling out. You can now get reminders from Grok based on your location. So in this video, I'm going to give you a few examples and try it out and see exactly what it does. Hey Grok, can you remind me when I pass Ardington to miss the huge pothole?
Sure, I've set a reminder to warn you about the huge pothole when you pass Ardington. It'll trigger once nearby. Miss the huge pothole when passing Ardington. Safe travels.
So regardless of whatever media you're playing in your car, when you pass a location, Grok will pause the music or the radio and remind you. So let's see if it can do a multi-location reminder. Hey Grok, if I pass by a Lidl's, or the next time I pass by a Lidl's...
What reminder do you want me to set for the next time you pass a Lidl? There are a few nearby Ardington.
Can you remind me to call in and get some of their nice brown bread?
Which Lidl do you mean? The closest is on Grove Road in Grove, about 1.3 miles away, or others further out.
Can you remind me whenever I pass any of them?
Got it. Reminders set for the nearby Lidls. I'll remind you to call in and get some nice brown bread when you pass one. They'll last a week.
What, the reminders will last a week?
Yes. These ones are set for 1 week so they don't linger forever. You can ask me to cancel or adjust them anytime.
Okay, goodbye. And then a bit later, I drove past the local Lidl's.
Don't forget to call in and get some of their nice brown bread.
So the radio paused, Grok gave me that message, just in time that I could pull in if I wanted to. This channel has had over 15 million views, yet only has 40,000 subscribers, whereas it should be 3 to 4 times that, because over 90% of the viewers are not subscribed. Please do, it's completely free, it's only a click for you and it really does help. Hey Grok, if I pass a fish and chip shop in the next 2 or 3 days, doesn't matter which fish and chip shop though, can you remind me to buy a battered sausage?
Sorry, I can only set reminders for specific locations, not for passing any random fish and chip shop. Give me a particular place or route and I'll set it up.
Can you not remind me if I pass a fish and chip shop locally?
There are a few local fish and chip shops nearby in Grove, like Millbrook Fish and Chips half a mile away or Baytree just over. Which one should I set the battered sausage reminder for?
Can you set it for both?
Done. Reminders set for both Millbrook Fish and Chips and Baytree Fish and Chips shops. They'll trigger if you pass nearby within a week.
And then, as I got close to the fish and chip shop...
Don't forget to buy a battered sausage.
Hey Grok, can you remind me to call my daughter when I get home?
Sure. I've set a reminder to call your daughter when you get home. You'll hear it then.
Hey Grok, are you able to set me multiple reminders for when I get home?
Yes, I can set multiple location-based reminders for when you get home using the home shortcut. What reminders do you want me to add?
When I get home, can you also remind me to put the tea in the oven?
Got it. Reminder set for when you get home. Don't forget to put the tea in the oven. Anything else?
No, that'll do.
All right, reminders all set then. Safe travels home.
And then as I get near home...
Don't forget to call your daughter. Don't forget to put the tea in the oven.
Hey Grok, when I next passed Rostock Garage, can you remind me to buy that Nissan part I need?
Is Rostock Corner Garage the one you mean? About 1.6 miles from here. There are a few similar spots nearby. Let me know which, and I'll set the reminder.
Yes, it's the local Nissan garage.
Got it. Reminder set for when you next pass Rostock Corner Garage to buy that Nissan part. It'll trigger within about 177 meters.
So here's the Nissan garage on this roundabout.
Don't forget to buy that Nissan part you need.
So as you've heard, reminders expire after 7 days, but you can make a reminder permanent and never expire. So let's see if I can set that up. Hey Grok, can you remind me to miss that nasty pothole at Ardington every time I pass Ardington and never expire?
Got your reminder set for Ardington. We'll warn you every time you pass by about missing that nasty pothole, and it won't expire. Miss that nasty pothole at Ardington.
So to prove that this reminder is still active, I turn around and come back again from the other direction.
Miss that nasty pothole at Ardington.
So Grok is going to prove really useful for reminders, because often it's better to have a reminder based on location rather than date or time. So if you've got any other interesting ways that you've used Grok for reminders, let me know in the comments below. So I hope you found that useful or interesting, or it's given you some ideas. If you have, please do click the thumbs up as always, and I'll see you on the next video. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the Super Thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.